OpenStack is a free and open source software platform for cloud computing, mostly deployed as an infrastructure as a service. The software platform consists of interrelated components that control hardware pools of processing, storage, and networking resources throughout a data center. As mentioned earlier, cloud is a type of computing paradigm which enables the user to consume computing services without owning them. For instance, if a user wants a VM with 8 GB of RAM and 4 CPUs, in earlier days, she needed to buy the required hardware, have a system admin install and configure the OS, and install necessary packages on it. But with cloud computing, the user can simply log into the dashboard, fill up some forms with her required configuration, and a VM will be automatically provisioned for her within minutes. Some important features a typical cloud installation provides is scalability, on-demand availability, self-service, and resource pooling. OpenStack is a cloud IaaS framework which helps us to build the cloud infrastructure with all those cloud features. The three core components of any IaaS are compute, which entails running and managing virtual machines with the help of a hypervisor, network, which takes care of essential networking services like DHCP, DNS, virtual routers, etc. Storage, which takes care of providing storage as a service, for instance, creating volumes and disks to attach to virtual machine instances. OpenStack provides all the above core services along with many other cool features. We will go over these services and features provided by OpenStack in subsequent videos. Here is a brief history and timeline of development of OpenStack project. In July 2010, Rackspace Hosting and NASA jointly launched an open source cloud software initiative known as OpenStack. The OpenStack project intended to help organizations offer cloud computing services running on standard hardware. The community's first official release, codename Austin, appeared 4 months later. In 2011 and 2012, major Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, SUSE, etc. adopted OpenStack. In 2013, Oracle announced it had joined OpenStack as a sponsor and planned to bring OpenStack to Oracle Solaris, Oracle Linux, and many of its products. In May 2014, HP announced HP Helion and released a preview of HP Helion OpenStack Community Edition.